lovelies, I'm coming to you today to do a twist out on the J Butter, and this is by Camille Rose. I've had my hair twisted for about a week, and I'm going to be taking it down with the almond oil, and this helps to promote shine, softness, and it also prevents frizz. So I'm just going to use a few drops and massage of this oil into my hair, and just make sure that I cover every twist prior to takedown. And I'm just waking up. So I'm not much of a morning person, but as you can see, the curls are defined, the twist is actually pretty defined, well defined, and it's taken down pretty easily. It's separating without any struggle, no two-strand twist or two-strand knots. I mean, not two-strand twist, two-strand knots. And it's very springy and light, is what I've noticed. It's very springy and light. It's separating really easy. Nice and soft and springy. I guess that's the word I would like to say. Now I hope as I take down the twist, I'm being very careful not to frizz out the twist or the strands, because my hair texture tends to frizz very easily. So I'm hoping this almond oil will prevent frizz. And I'm also being very gentle. It's best to take your time when doing this style, so not to be in a rush or to lose patience. You have to really take your time in doing this hairstyle. And I really, when I was actually twisting, these twists are very tiny compared to what I normally do. I usually twist in a chunky twist, but these are a little bit finer than what I'm normally used to. But I do like how they're coming out. I'm not exactly sure what style I'm going to be doing today, but we'll figure that out as we go. I have to say that the curls is very well defined, as you can see, and I am feeling really good about the twist out and what to expect. And even though if it does happen to frizz out, it's not going to be a big deal, because in a few days it will frizz. And I do want some frizz. Speed along the process, which I wish I could do when I was twisting my hair. But I'm almost done, so I guess I will hold off on the speeding up the video. And what I noticed is that it doesn't leave any type of heavy scent in your hair. Even though it does smell good, the product smells like a cake batter. It smells like something to eat, but you don't smell anything. There's no scent residue left in the hair. So I'm finally done. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.